Can binary options brokers really make you rich in 2025? Well, the answer is yes, absolutely. If you use the right broker, follow a proven strategy, and trade smart, you can build a real income stream that, honestly, changes your life. And here's the best part. If you open a new account with my link below, you'll get an exclusive 50% bonus on your first deposit. If you already have an account, just withdraw your funds, close it, and reopen through my link, and you'll still get 50% extra. Once you've done that, message me on Telegram, and I'll add you to my private VIP trading group where I share every trade I take in real time. This is the easiest way to start your journey to real profits in 2025. Binary options have come a long way. What used to be a niche way to trade is now, honestly, one of the most profitable and beginner-friendly ways to earn online. So, here's why binary options really stand out. First, simplicity. You just need to predict whether the price will go up or down, nothing complicated there. Next, speed. You can actually profit in as little as 60 seconds, which is pretty amazing. Then there's control. You get to decide exactly how much you want to risk, and when you want to trade. And finally, accessibility. You can trade from your phone or laptop anywhere in the world, so it really fits into any lifestyle. With the right broker and a solid strategy, binary options can totally generate consistent profits, whether you're looking for some extra side income or aiming to make it your full-time gig. A good binary options broker doesn't just hand you a trading platform, it actually gives you opportunity. Alright, so, you want access to fast, accurate market data. You also need tools like indicators, signals, and copy trading to really sharpen your edge. And hey, don't forget about deposit bonuses, like that 50% you get when you use my link. Plus, mobile apps and trading features are a must, so you can trade anytime, anywhere. These features, honestly, make it way easier to scale your account quickly. With a bit of discipline, even a $200 deposit can grow into over $1,000 over time. And you know, that's exactly how a lot of traders start building real wealth. Here's the truth. Binary options won't make you a millionaire overnight, but if you stay consistent, they can absolutely make you rich over time. Alright, let's do some quick math together. If you start with a $200 account and grow it by about 15% each week, you could be looking at over $1,000 in just a few months. And, if you keep reinvesting your profits and trading smart, hitting $5,000 or more within a year is definitely possible. Plus, when you add in things like copy trading, signals, and proven strategies, well, your growth can multiply even faster. This is exactly why so many traders are now turning to binary options as a serious wealth-building tool. It's really catching on for a reason. You know, you don't have to do this alone. In my VIP trading group, I share ordensda na enschwanziguru. Alright, so here's what you get, folks. Real-time trade signals that are right on the money. You'll know exactly when I enter call or put trades. Plus, you'll receive in-depth analysis, setups, and some solid risk management tips. And here's something exciting. When you join using my link, you get instant access to all of this. Oh, and let's not forget about the 50% deposit bonus to help grow your capital even faster. This is honestly the fastest way to skip that long learning curve and start profiting immediately. It's all about getting you up to speed and into the action without delay. So, can binary options brokers make you rich in 2025? Well, the answer is yes. But only if you take action. Only if you trade with a plan. And you know, only if you surround yourself with the right people and tools. That's why I built this community, to help traders like you win. Alright, so, step 1, close any old account. Step 2, open a new account with my link below to get your 50% bonus. And step 3, just message me to join our VIP group and start copying my trades. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Seriously, don't wait. Let's make 2025 the year you change your life with binary options.